show you the setup. Kind of looks ugly, but so as you can see, the wires are sticking out and stuff. Only 2 of these are bolted. We got a 12-volt battery inside. I did put the all-wheel drive back, so it's all-wheel drive right now. But I took it out to make it rear, just for fun, to see how it handled. And I think I like the all-wheel drive better. But you guys go ahead and try it and check it out, see how it works for you, just for fun. It's actually really easy. 1 screw here, you take this off obviously. 1 screw here, there's another one over here. You pull the body apart from this, and there's this little what is it called? I guess a rod or whatever, pulley. I don't know. You just take that out and you put this back in, and you put the 2 bolts, and that's how you make it rear. And yeah, make sure you don't throw that pulley away or lose it, in case you want to go all-wheel drive again. But yeah, if you want to see how it's done, I can link you maybe to a YouTube video I saw from this guy. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I just show you the drive, how it handles and stuff. Rear wheel drive, and I might throw in the clip of all-wheel drive too. But yeah, as you can see, everything's cramped in there. And I don't know if this battery's not charging correctly, or if it just sucks. But yeah, this is why I'm taking this out. Yeah. And I'm probably putting it in something else and test it out, because I already have my other the Skyline with the Elite chip, so I'm okay with the drift car for now. But you guys can do this. I just have 2 of these chips. You get them from China, and then with everything going on right now, but they're like $3.99, $4 a chip, which is not bad. So you get 2 of them. You buy 2 of them, and you hook one to the rear motor, and since this doesn't have a servo, you hook this up to the front motor, one of them, to the one. That's why you use 2 ones for each motor. Then you just make for the battery, you make a port that goes from the battery, and it goes to one chip and the other chip. So like a Y connection, I want to say. So this chip, then this chip, and it goes down and it hooks up to the battery. Then you got the receiver, transmitter, yeah, I don't know. Right here, all plugged in. Well, for me, my first one is steering. I think that should be for all of them. I'm not sure. Second one's for the rear motor. And that's pretty much all I do to be able to control these cars. And you can put any voltage you want. Obviously, this was 9.6, so I just went up to 12. You know, you don't want to get like a car that takes 3 volts and probably put 12. You probably fry the motor. So when you do go up in voltage, make sure it's something not too crazy. Like I think I had a 3 volt, 3 point something volt, the new cars, and I went double. Surprisingly, nothing happened. It's still handling well. It's running 6 volts right now. I might buy another car and try to run maybe 7, maybe 9.6 and see how the motor responds. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, or don't. It's all good. And thanks for watching. You got the 2 switches there. You got to both turn them on. Then I connect the battery. I always disconnected. When I drive it, obviously connected. Hit both switches. Then go to your receiver. Or actually, have your receiver on first, but yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
I like wearing glasses.
Wear them.
No. No. My guy bought the one at me because he said LASIK doesn't solve your problem. You always have to wear glasses. Even if you have glasses.
What?
Yeah.
If you correct it for where you don't.
No, you still have to wear glasses. He said, I have one good eye, or one near spot, and one far sighted.
I wonder if you ever correct that or
He said, no. You just have to wear glasses. Come on, Eddie!
like watching the opening scene in the Fast and the Furious.
Huh?
It's like watching the opening scene in the Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift.
Would you say you're going to do the fans and then you're going to go home?
No, I'm gonna do the fans. I'm gonna do the fans, then go do those rolls.
Because you don't go home now, buddy. If you're stuck working here, you don't go home.
This is not official yet. They haven't given me anything.
This is where he's going to make most about this place. Smooth floors.
Oh, shit. I'm ready to go home now. There's nothing to look at anymore.
Yeah, you actually have some of those guys who work now.